Hello guys, guess what? That's right, we're going to a car wash today. This is at the other Autowash Express on 1st Avenue, but this one is on 1st and Roger here in Tucson. And since I'm on a budget, we're getting the $3 car wash today. I know it's a big disappointment for you all, but I'm on a really strict budget as of now. Especially because I'll be traveling in about a little less than 2 weeks to El Paso, so I need to save my money for that. I got a new SD card, which is why I'm filming this car wash, just to make sure it works. So here's your menu. I'll be getting the $3 car wash right there. Well, actually, I'll get the $5 car wash because the $3 car wash only has flash dry. It doesn't have the regular dryer. So I'm gonna open up the window. We'll hear this. There is your money machine. This one has red buttons. I'm gonna place a camcorder down here, and I'm gonna pay for the car wash.
Would you like to have a receipt? Please wait while your card is being authorized.
So guys, I went ahead and decided to get the express wash. I just really need to save my money, and flash dry and dryer are the exact same thing. I just remember that this doesn't have separate dryers mounted, so what that car is getting now is flash dry. Plus, tandems are not really my favorite kind of car wash, so... It's weird, it has an X, so I guess I don't go. Okay, there we go. Here we go, guys. Got the $3 one. Wow, that was really quick. Holy cow, that was a really fast car wash. I guess when they meant flash dry, they meant only one round and not two. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it was a really cheap car wash, but you gotta save my money. I don't really have much on me. Oh, look at all those cars. And I'm gonna just stop the video here.